Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the rare Selene Brickbloom seed in Heartopia. Okay, let's get started. First, you need to participate in the Modular Streets event and purchase the basic Brickbloom flower seeds from Blang. Brickbloom flowers are event exclusive, so make sure you grab them while the event is active. The next one, guys, start crossbreeding your brick blooms. You will need to work your way up through the flower tiers by breeding lower star flowers into higher star versions. Keep crossbreeding until you obtain the 4-star blue brick bloom and 4-star purple brick bloom. I've already obtained them. Once you have both 4-star flowers, place your blue and purple brick blooms together like this in your garden. Many experienced players recommend planting them in alternating rows to maximize breeding chances. This Selene Brickbloom is a 5-star flower and can only be obtained from 4-star brickblooms. And the next step, you need to increase your chances to improve your odds. Water your flowers every day and ask friends to help water them too. More watering increases the chance of successful crossbreeding. If you have a rainbow bag or rainbow breeding powder, use it to guarantee a crossbreed attempt and speed up the process. And you need to be patient, guys. This Selene Brickbloom is very rare, so don't worry if you don't get it immediately. Many players report needing multiple breeding attempts before finally getting the seed. Persistence is the key. And I've already obtained this seed, and I need to wait tomorrow at dawn to harvest this Selene Brickbloom flower. Okay guys, and that's how you get the Selene Brickbloom seed in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!